It's not about the number of times you fall. It's about how quickly you pick yourself back up and get back on track.
Business is not easy. What John does is make some of these things so clear that they become a bit easier. So his presentation is really inspirational.
It was funny, he was brilliant, it was engaging. One of the real takeaways was just the reminder of working through problems and challenges as a team.
But we have this little voice in our heads and we talk to it. And sometimes it's helpful and sometimes it is unhelpful. This is how we can tell if we have an unhelpful belief. Anthony, could you please do this? Yeah, because it'll save time later on. And Paul! Yeah!
It also gave some very good business ideas, some things I hadn't thought about and I can take into my business.
This is all I do. I stand in front of audiences and I spout forth, or I speak after dinner. This is all I do. Let's say I do 100 presentations. I would do 94 good presentations, solid presentations. I'm happy, the client's happy, everybody's happy. I would do 3 presentations, which would be out of this world. I mean, I'm talking about getting standing ovations. I'm talking about people throwing flowers at me, being carried around the room shoulder high, women standing on tables and chairs, shouting at the top of their voices, "Kiss me, kiss me, kiss me!" Sorry, that was a dream I had last night. Sorry. The thought that went through my head, and please forgive me, I didn't know whether I should suggest going on before dinner. Magicians, speakers, small businesses came to me asking me for my help, and I loved that. Boy, did that massage my ego. I felt like I was in a position of strength. I felt like I was giving great value, that I had great credibility. Now, this is the belief that didn't serve me.
Very professional, easy to work with, totally understood our audience and was extremely entertaining and motivational at the same time, which is quite rare.
Hang on a minute. Adam, smile, photograph.
Stage presence is amazing. To present for an hour and a half and everyone is totally engaged the entire time is impressive.
His use of magic tricks helped to keep me entertained, but also kind of teaching me little lessons along the way as well. I think one of the things I'll take away is not to listen to that little voice in my head that was telling me not to talk to you right now.
But talk to me right now, and we'll see how I can add value to your next event.